Hello everyone, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I wanted to share some of the exciting and new things happening here at E.C.D during the month of December. First of all, we have an amazing array of vehicles come off the line. Great variety, of course, of colors and options and styles that I'm sure that you'll enjoy when you check them out. We have Project Brighton, which is a highly anticipated vehicle. It took a while to get this design together for our client, but it came out absolutely stunning. If you notice the dark green with the medium tan and the Peter Houndstooth inside the car, it's definitely a one of a kind. Then we also have Project Livingston, which is a beautiful looking truck as well. A little bit more of a beach truck, if you know what I mean. It's a cool khaki gray exterior with tan interior. Amazing truck for what it is, and of course the styling that our client was going for. Then we have Kessel Run, which is a mix of a traditional and perhaps a more aggressive looking Defender, 20-inch size wheels, custom E.C.D style, beautiful color in eggshell finish, and of course a tan interior that wraps it up very nicely. Then we have cool bodies that is probably a little bit more subdued, more elegant type of truck. Beautiful green outside and tan and brown inside. You can see, of course, a lot of detail went into the interior more so than the exterior, which is exactly what our client wanted to achieve with that. And then we have Project Lilibet, which is a beautiful Grassmere green, very traditional looking truck with a white roof, roll cage, and a few accents, of course, throughout the car to make it unique as well. And then lastly, we have Project Mirador, which is another stunning Arliss blue D110 soft top with wood accents and a very nice tan interior that reflects, of course, the personality of the client and what they wanted to aim for with this particular car. On our feature articles this month, you will find one on how modern engineering elevates the vintage Mustang and how E.C.D's own take on this classic car took it to the next level. Then you also see one on the secret E.C.D Auto Design sauce, a behind-the-scenes look at how we find the perfect balance with each bespoke vehicle restoration. And don't forget to check out our highlight video of the month on our YouTube channel, where you will find all the amazing destinations and special places that E.C.D traveled to with our beautiful trucks, and you can see how well this vehicle has performed in each of these environments. Now for this month's press features, we have the exciting news, of course, of Kevin Kastner coming to the E.C.D team as Chief Revenue Officer. Also notes from Autoblog, Elevated Magazine, Car Boss, Canadian Insider, and Hot Cars. And you can check out all these amazing articles on an E.C.D in press section on our website. And last but not least, we have our new FJ configurator set up and running. So now you can go have some fun playing around with different colors, options, accessories that you can add and play around with for an FJ build. Again, we're super excited to have a new product on the lineup, and the FJ we're sure is going to be a great success as part of the E.C.D family builds. And don't forget to stay connected with everything happening here at E.C.D. Please visit our YouTube channel, our social media platforms, as well as our blogs. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.